Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be doing a short pranayam practice that will help you to manage your anxiety and stress levels. Multiple studies have taken place that show the effectiveness of yogic breathing techniques in reducing stress and anxiety levels. So if you do them on a daily basis, you will definitely see the benefits. You should do these on an empty stomach or have at least 3 hours of gap after your last meal before you practice these. Once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Let us come into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Ground your sit bones into the mat. Lengthen the spine, aligning the shoulders, ribcage and hips in one straight line. If sitting straight is a challenge, you can also prop a cushion under the hips to be able to sit taller. Gently roll your shoulders back, bringing the hands in chin mudra on the knees and close your eyes. We are going to start the practice with deep abdominal breathing. So let us bring one hand on the belly and one on the chest. As you inhale, take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. With the next inhale, breathe into your belly, feeling your belly expand outwards like a big balloon. As you exhale, feel the belly coming back in towards the spine. Again, inhale deeply, feeling the expansion in the belly. Exhale slowly, the belly softens and comes in. Keep going on. Inhale deeply into the belly while the chest remains almost stationary. Exhale slowly, the belly softens and comes back in. We'll do 3 more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. And relax and bring the hands down. Great. Next, we'll do Bhastrika Pranayam or the bellows breath. In Bhastrika, both the inhalations and the exhalations are active. As we inhale, our belly is going to expand and go out, and as we exhale, the belly is going to come in. We are also going to use our hands during this practice. So we are going to bring the hands on either sides of the ears. As we inhale, we'll take the hands up, opening the fingers, and as we exhale, we are going to pull them down, making a loose fist. So let's start. Take a breath in and out to prepare. We'll be doing 10 pumps in the first round. And relax and bring the hands down. Let's take a few normal breaths before starting round 2. Again, let's bring the hands up, making a loose fist. Take a breath in and out to prepare. And start. And relax. And let's do one last round. Bring the hands up. And let's start. And relax. Next, we are going to do Anulom Vilom Pranayam or alternate nostril breathing. So for this, bring your hands in Vishnu Mudra by folding the index and the middle finger. Place the thumb on the right nostril. We are going to inhale from the left side. Close the left nostril with the ring finger and exhale from the right. Then inhale from the right. Close the right nostril and exhale from the left. Inhale left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on for 2 more rounds. Slowly exhale from the left side and bring the right hand down and take a couple of normal breaths. Next, we'll be doing Bhramari Pranayam or the humming bee breath. In this, we are going to bring both the hands on either sides of the ears, close the flaps of the ears with the thumbs and gently place the fingers over the eyelids. We are going to take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale out through the nose, making a deep humming sound. We'll do 4 more. Inhale. And slowly bring the hands down, keeping your eyes closed. Taking a few normal breaths. We are going to finish the practice by chanting Omkar 7 times. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. So I hope you enjoyed this practice and you will incorporate this in your daily routine. I'll see you soon with something new. Till then, take care, keep practicing, and bye-bye.